Like we mentioned in a past video that you will need a landing page for your ad. A landing page is a link of the page where the visitors will come after clicking on your advertising link. Landing page is mainly used to collect lead information or as a sales page. A landing page may be designed to give away product details, payment gateway, ebook, event registration, corresponding details, online courses, app download, and more. A landing page will have a well-defined call to action, also known as CTA. So now I'll tell you why we need a good landing page and how it can actually help you get better conversions for your business. Better landing pages will help you get better results and get better conversion rates. The landing page should provide full-fledged information to your visitors when he or she visits your landing page. The landing page should have a clear and visible call to action button. The page can have multiple call to action buttons so that it is easily locatable. Your page should build trust with your visitors when they land on your page. You should make sure that your landing page communicates exactly what you are offering to your visitors. The next important thing is that you should make sure that your landing page is quick enough to open on all devices. You can build multiple landing pages to identify which landing page performs better. So these were some of the points you need to keep in mind while building your landing page so that you can get better conversions. Now let us look at the process of creating a landing page. Assume that you want to promote your product. You will need a landing page which can be created using Elementor and WordPress. Either you create your landing page or outsource it to the agency. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to create a landing page using Elementor. First step after logging in to the WordPress admin panel for our website is to create a page. Click here on Pages. Click Add New. Add the page title, which is Boya Condenser Microphone. Now you'll see that a permalink has appeared out here. This is the link of this page. Once we publish it, we'll click on Publish. Let us select Edit with Elementor option. Elementor is a native WordPress page builder which helps you create websites using a simple drag and drop interface. Click the plus sign. Let us select the structure of the page. Let us say we want to add sections. On the left will be the product images, on the right will be the description. We'll select this option. Let us add the images now. Search for image carousel. This will help us add multiple product images. Select the image size you want. Since we have two images, the slides to show will be selected as one. Click on the plus sign here. Let us select these two images from the media library. You may also choose to upload files from your computer. Now insert images. Check if the images are looking good. Now give a heading for this landing page. In this case, it is the product name, that is Boya Condenser Microphone. You may then change the text color, font size, etc. from these options. Let us add some text below the headline by using the text editor. Let us add salient features of the product here. Let's add the product price. For that, we'll mention the price along with the discount that we are offering. Let us add the inner section widget. We will again use the heading text option. Add the offer price of the product. On the right hand side, we will add the actual price of the product. Then we'll add a strike through on the actual price to indicate that we are offering a discount. Let us format the text to make it look better. Add another column to show the discount in terms of percentage value, that is 66% in this case. Next step is to add a form so that we can capture the visitor's details. Let us give it a heading requesting a quote. Align it to the center. For the form, you can adjust the margin and padding from here. Now in the form, let us keep the setting as required for all fields. That is, the visitor has to provide all these details if he wants to submit the request for the quote. Instead of a message, let's keep it as a mobile number. Change the text of the button below to request quote. Now since the visitor submits his details, we should get an email with the details. For that, let's go to Actions after the Submit button. Here in the Add section part, we will keep it as email. However, you can see multiple options here in the drop-down list that you may choose from for the actions. Add the email ID on which we want to receive the email. Let's update the page so that all the changes we made to the page are updated and saved. If you want to further make changes to any part of the page, you can do so. Let's highlight the fact that we are giving this product at 66% lower price. You can put a rectangle around the price of the product. Make a change to the request button such that when a visitor hovers a mouse over it, its color changes. Once we are done with the changes, we'll again click on update. Let us now add product specifications. Select the text editor, drag and drop it here. Add the specifications, make the changes to the heading and text to make it look better and easy for the user to read. Once all changes are done, click update. Let us go to the main menu and add a thank you page. Again, we'll click on pages and then on add new. Give the page title as thank you. Let us switch to the Elementor editor and choose a page layout. Add heading and text widgets here. Give the heading as thank you and format it if required. Let's make it a bit bigger. Also, let's add the text below informing the visitor that we will be emailing the code to them. Play around with the colors of the background and the text to make it more appealing and visually rich. Now let us link both the pages. Go to the menu, click on all pages and select Edit with Elementor for the product page. Now we want that once the visitor submits his details, an email should be sent to us and the visitor should be redirected to the thank you page. For that, let us select the actions after the Submit tab and select Redirect as well. Below, you will see the Redirect tab. Add the URL of the thank you page. You can also get the URL of the page by going to the page section, finding the page and copying the permalink. Paste this in the URL section of the Redirect tab. To see the page preview, click here. You can test this out by adding your details and check if all things are working as expected. That is how we can create a landing page using WordPress. Please do keep in mind the tips we have shared earlier about creating a high-performing landing page.